Hello dear friends. We are glad to welcome you to our channel. Today in our review we will present you an overview of the most stylish and fashionable women's bob haircut for medium volume and for thin and sparse hair. Please watch the review to the end, and maybe even you will look at the most amazing haircut for yourself. This haircut is dominated by the incredible power of transformation. Today we will tell you about a super fashionable and very fashionable haircut, a multi-layered bob. The haircut is distinguished by spectacular volume, easy styling, and the incredible power of rejuvenation. Hot inverted bob haircuts women continue asking for in 2022. Seasons change, but bobs are viewed as trendy and cool haircuts you don't have to think twice about. They are feminine and can be adapted for any face shape and features. Especially if we are talking about inverted bobs. An inverted bob is longer in the front and shorter in the back haircut. Depending on the way you style it, it can add volume and dimension to your hair, create a perfect geometric shape, elongate or widen your face if necessary, draw attention to your favorite facial features, etc. Whether you choose to get bangs, waves, curls, layers, or all of them, this hairstyle will be always a fashionable look to complement your personality. Check out the styles below for a better understanding of possible variations for this cool, and trendy in this season, we must say, haircut. Short layered inverted bob. The transition from dark to blonde gets the praise it deserves with an inverted bob cut. By adding piece Y-angled layers on top of stacked layers you get some extra height and flattering movement. Short inverted bob with undercut. Use soft tousled crown layers for extra volume and lift your pixie bob even higher with a tiny nape undercut. It works on both thin and thick locks thanks to its short length. Very short inverted bob. This artfully chopped hairstyle is amongst the best inverted bobs for thick hair. Its structure gives you options to either wear it with minimal styling or texture it with symmetrical pointy wisps from front to back. Long inverted bob with bangs. An ashy color and feathered layers are really going to steal all attention. It looks mesmerizing. Rounded inverted bob. Cut your hair very short in the back and steeply angled towards the front. The effect is eye-catching. The color is also stunning. Inverted bob for thin hair. Thin hair looks so good with dimensional blonde color in the right blowout. Perfect for work and for after work parties. Short inverted bob. The inverted bob is a short haircut that can be described as feminine and elegant. Opt for a steeply angled shape and stacked layers that will definitely attract attention. Inverted layered bob. An inverted bob can feature additional layers for extra texture and movement in thick hair that may look blocky otherwise. Inverted bob for fine hair. The iconic layered cut is a blessing for thin hair. With its stacked layers, it looks perfect in a shorter length, delivering a romantic appeal in the front and a perfect puppy back. Beauties, we wish you beauty and happiness. Take care of yourself, love yourself. Thank you for watching the review to the end. The best thanks from you is to like and share the video with friends and family. Click on the bell so you don't miss new videos.